Good day everyone. In this video we have given the questions, which is to derive the equation of two parallel lines, the line M and the line L, then describe the nature of the slope. And the other question is derive the equation of the line N perpendicular to the parallel lines, which is the line M and the line L. These perpendicular lines passes through the coordinate of the line M, coordinates 3 to 3. Earlier I have prepared a graph. As you can see, the line M, the line L, and the line N, and I have also solved the slope of the line M, line L, and the line uh, N in this form: ax plus by minus c. Now we go through to the solving. In deriving the equation of the parallel lines, uh, we have this formula, which is the y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. First thing we have to do is to find the given. What is the y sub 1, y sub 2, and so on. As you can see, I have drawn a Cartesian plane which have the coordinates of the line M. First coordinate is negative 2, 1, and negative 1, negative 1. Now, as you can see, the value of our x sub 1 is negative 2, and y sub 1 is negative 1, and our x sub 2 is equal to negative 1, and also our y sub 2 is negative 1. Now that we have our given, let's substitute the given to our formula. Our formula is y, and our y sub 1 is 1. Now our y sub 2 is negative 1, and y sub 1 is 1. So the x sub 2 is negative 1 minus the value of x sub 1, which is the negative 2, multiplied by x, and the value of x sub 1 is negative 2. Next is we have to simplify. As you can see, we have to copy the y minus 1, then simplify this part of the equation. Negative 1 minus negative 1 is equal to negative 2. Then as you can see, is negative multiplied by negative is equal to positive, which we come up with the copy negative 1 plus positive 2, because negative times negative is equal to positive. Then this part of the equation, as you can see, we have a negative sign multiplied by negative sign, so it became positive. In this part of the equation, we have to simplify a negative 2, copy negative 2, then negative 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 multiplied by x plus 2. At this part, we have to multiply negative 2, which is uh, the the answer of negative 2 of divided by 1, which is the negative 2 is the quotient of this part of the equation, and we have to multiply it to the x plus 2. Let's have the FOIL method. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, then negative 2 times positive 2 is equal to negative 4. Now we have to uh, at this part we have to make it like this, in the form of this: x plus by equals c. Transpose the negative 2 to the other side, it will become positive, plus y is equal to negative 4. Transpose the negative 1 to other sides to make it positive. Negative 1 transposed to the other side of the equation will become positive 1. Now simplify this part. Negative 4 plus 1 is equal to negative 3. And our slope of the line M is 2x plus y is equal to negative 3, which in the form of ex plus by equals c is equal to c. Now we have to derive the line L as what have we done in the line M. First things first, we have to identify our given. The coordinates of the line L is, the first coordinate is the 1, and coordinate is 1, the x is 1, and the y is 2. And the second coordinate is the x sub 2 is 3, and the y sub 2 is negative 2. Now, x sub 1 is equal to 1, y sub 1 is equal to 2, x sub 2 is equal to 3, then y sub 2 is equal to negative 2. Now, the next step is we have to substitute our given to our formula. y minus y sub 1, y sub 1 is 2, is equal to y sub 2, which is the negative 2, minus the value of y sub 1, which is 2, over the value of x sub 2, which is 3, minus the value of x sub 1, which is 1, multiply by x minus the value of x sub 1, which is the 1. Now just simply simplify the given. First, this part of the equation can be simplified as negative 2 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2, multiplied by x minus 1. This part, simplify the negative 4 divided by 2. The quotient of this one is negative 2 multiplied by x minus 1. FOIL method again. Negative 2 times x would be a negative 2x, then negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 will become positive 2, and transpose negative 2 to the other side of the equation, in the left side of the equation, will become positive 2 plus y is equal to 2. Transpose the negative 2 to the other side of the equation, and it will become positive 2. And simplify, add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and our final answer for the slope of the line L is 2x plus y is equal to 4 in the form of ex plus by is equal to z. Now let's proceed in deriving the equation of the line N perpendicular to the parallel lines, which is the line M and the line L. This perpendicular lines passes through the coordinates of the line M, which is y, the x is 3 and the y is also 3. At this part, we use the formula of y minus y sub 1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x sub 1. First things first, we have to find our given. First, we find the value of m. In finding the value of m, we can choose either of the slope of the line L or the slope of the line M. At this part, I chose the slope of the line L, which is the 2x plus y is equal to 4. And also we can use the formula of y is equal to mx plus b to find the slope or Rm. At this form, we have to transform this form into this form y is equal to mx plus b. Now, transpose the 2x to the other side. Remain the transpose the 2x will become negative 2x. Just copy the 4. And our value of Rm is negative 2. Now that we have the value of our initial m, which is the negative 2, remember that we have lines, the line M and the line L, and I've chosen the slope of the line L, which we have which is the 2x plus y is equal to 4, and that's the slope we used to find the value of m, our initial m. Now that we have to find the slope of the line M, which is our question. As our instructor have taught us, we have to use this formula. N sub 1 multiplied by m sub 2 is equal to negative 1, which is m sub 1 is equal to the slope of the line L, which we have solved just earlier, which is the negative 2. And m2 is equal to the slope of the line M is equal to negative 1. In getting the slope of the line M, initial slope, which is we needed to solve, which is the value of our M, we have to divide both sides by negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2 and cancel the negative 2, which remain the m sub 2, and the quotient of negative 1 over negative 2 is positive 1/2. Now that we have the value of our m, Our final given is the given of the slope of the line, coordinates of the line n, which is rx is 3 and ry is 3. X sub 1, y sub 1 is equal to 3, and our value of our m, which we've solved earlier, is positive 1/2 now. As we've done earlier in our solving the slope from line M to line L, we have to substitute our given to our formula. Y, copy the y minus the value of y sub 1, which is 3, is equal to the value of our m, 1/2 multiplied by x, and x minus the value of x sub 1 is equal, which is 3 now. Just simplify everything. Multiply 1/2 by x, FOIL method. 1/2 multiplied by x is equal to 1/2 x, and 1/2 multiplied by -3 will be -3/2. Now from here we have to transform this form to the form of ex plus by is equal to z. Now in order to do it, we have to transpose the positive 1/2 x to the other side, so and it will become negative 1/2 x plus the y, and is equal to -3/2, and this 3 would be transposed to the other side, and it will become positive. And simplify this part, -3/2 plus 3 is equal to +3/2. As you can see that we have our fraction form. We can simplify it by multiplying it all by -2. Cancel the 2 and 2, and negative times negative would be positive. Then -2 multiplied by y, it will become -2y is equal to, cancel the 2, and it will the remaining is -3, and that's the slope of the line n, which is perpendicular to the other lines, which is the line M and the line L. At this part, as you can see, I have written the slope of all the lines. The line M, the slope would be 2x plus y is equal to -3, and the slope of the line M, the line L is 2x plus y is equal to 4, and the line N is x minus 2y minus 3, all in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. And that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you like it, and thank you everyone.